Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we come back to the Toyota Highlander 2008. We tried to program the computer last time, the remote last time, but we are not able to program it. So let's try again. This time I'm using Toyota Techstream. So I'm gonna connect it to the vehicle to see if it will communicate and will be able to program these two remotes. We use Hotel. We try to use it. It doesn't work. We do all our okay, now we have the VIN number. I'm gonna try to get the mouse here. Where I got it? Yeah, it's here. So I'm gonna collect. Is this Highlander?
Yep.
Highlander China, Highlander others. And then I will go here without this marquee. And then four-wheel drive, right?
Yes.
Four-wheel drive, and then I will select here. It's gonna be you have to come near. Maybe you have to zoom in and out. People will not see it. Okay. So now it will open something here. Now all the functions are here. Now I'm gonna go to maybe main body, and then communicate to the main body. It's supposed to be in the main body. And then I will go to code. There is no problem. I go to utility. It's supposed to be in the body. Okay, now I'm gonna go to wireless code registration, wireless code erase. Okay, I'm gonna go to wireless code registration, and here in the bottom it say that this function was used to add the newly recognized code for the registration. Already registered code are retained. Okay, this code is used to edit the newly recognized code for registration while the already registered code are inside. Okay, so we already have this one. That means it will not delete any others. So I want to see what we have on the operation. On the operation, before operation history is automatically stored in the store data tab. The OK button is pressed. Okay, I cancel this one. I don't need. So let me go back to this one here. Registration, the top one. Okay, now you have a problem. Exit this. Yes. This is to check. Now here, and I will click next. Here it say welcome to the registration. Ignition is on. Please confirm the following. Ignition is on. Wait 30 seconds after ignition is on before clicking next. So the ignition is on. I'm gonna wait. Driver side door opened and other door closed. Okay, let me see. Okay, this door is open. Driver side door is unlocked. Unlock is unlocked, automatically unlocked. Registration will fail if the time limit is exceeded for any step. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. Next. So remaining number could be registered to. Number remote currently registered to. So let me see now. Okay, on the next step you will have to perform the following operation in 30 seconds. On the remote transmitter, push lock and unlock simultaneously for 1 second. Within 3 seconds push the lock button. Okay, within 30 seconds, right? So I'm here, 30 seconds is there, so I'm gonna push here for 3 seconds, right? 1, 2, 3, and then lock, right? Unlock. You're supposed to take it 1, 2, 3. I don't hear nothing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. The wireless code registration failed. The step exceeds the limit. Some vehicles may require pressing the lock and unlock button for 3 seconds to complete the process. Do you want to try again? Yes, I'm going to try again. I'm going to try next. Okay, next. Next. I hear something. This is good. You never even do anything.
Yeah.
Okay, now press next to register another key. Next. Okay.
Three seconds.
Oh, it's not. No, you have to say next first. I need the 30 second, right?
30 seconds.
Please. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nothing. It's gonna finish. Then we're gonna. This one is good, right? Okay, well no. So now we're gonna try again. We say lock and unlock button for 3 seconds to complete the process. Okay. I try one again. Next. No, I gotta push it. Okay, so let me exit. Let me see now again what I have inside the system. Let me take the key out, open the door, close it. This one is working. Do we try to program the same one before? Alhamdulillah, which is good, keep it there. I'm gonna try again. Let me see if I can get mine too. Let me see if I can get mine too, because it's impossible this one. It's okay. I'm gonna open the door, put the key in the ignition, turn it, click next. Okay. Next. You see, we have
3 now.
for the lane واحد بس. Okay. I'm gonna try it. Yes.
Got it, you got it.
Yeah. Okay. Exit. Yes. Okay. So we can blame the tools that you use. Sometimes aftermarket tools, they don't work. Okay. So now we go out of it. Okay, I'm gonna go out from here. I'm gonna go where? Okay, go back for data, select system. We're gonna go back to our main place. We did the work is finished. I'm gonna take this one out. Okay, this one work. Okay, look here, the video. Okay, thank God everything is okay. Okay, everything is worked now after we are using our Techstream. Please try to have some backup tools. Yes, other aftermarket tools, you can use it 3-4, like quick job, but sometimes it can put you into trouble that you don't know what's going on, and sometimes the car cannot accept the programming. Only you have to use the dealer tools. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.
Thank you, Muhammad. The dedication and not giving up. Thank you.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna